Welcome everyone to another episode of the Amazing Adventures of Ben and Weasel. Well, Tina and Ben have that crazy ass weasel over in the park today. Let's join in on the action.
And there is your Boone and Crockett plug.
God. Titanic under there?
We're looking for that Saxon ship in that plug. It's in the plug.
A Volkswagen? Big enough to be a Volkswagen.
We must have knocked it out of the plug.
There it is right there.
There it is. Let's see what we've got, ladies and gentlemen. It's a stinking Lincoln. Watch out, mate. Hey, watch yourself. Up goes the plug. There we go. Now we can check it out. Oh, there's our signal. You can hear that window blowing.
There it is right there.
Pull tab? Oh dear. Did that come flying out of there?
Yep.
Speaking about flying out of here, Weasel flew out of here to take a nap underneath that tree. Look at that crazy little dog. Looks like she's dreaming about something. Probably dreams about chasing helicopters or something. Well, folks, that's all we have time today. Weasel and I would like to thank you from the bottom of our hearts in joining us on this amazing adventure of Ben and Weasel. Until next time, see you then.